So today we're going to show you how to install ShareThumb on your website and then also register and verify your site. So go to the plugins directory in your WordPress dashboard, and you should be able to search for the plugin in the WordPress directory, but as of now we're not listed, so you'll need to upload it with the file that we've provided to you. So if you click upload and then you choose the file, you can choose the zip file from your local directory and then hit upload and then install. Now you just need to activate it, and once you do, on the left hand side you should see the link to the ShareThumb in your dashboard. So once you install it, you're ready to go. There's nothing else required. You don't need to pay, you don't need to register, you don't need to verify your site. You can just set your defaults. You can upload your logo, you can choose a theme. These are templates that we've created for different layouts for your thumb. You can choose a separate image, or what we're calling an icon. You can specify your brand font, and you can set 4 different colors in the theme. And then of course you can specify which post type you'd like us to generate thumbs for. Now, one of the challenges you're going to have is that in our free plan, we only generate thumbs once every 30 days. So if someone requests a URL from your site, we will automatically generate a thumb for that page, and then that thumb will be regenerated every 30 days. So if you update the picture on the site, or you change the title of the article, that is not going to be reflected in that thumb. And so in order to unlock that automatic update for the thumbs, you need to actually register with our app and then verify ownership of the site. And that's a pretty easy thing to do. It only takes about 60 seconds. So let me walk you through that process next. So the first thing you do is go to app.sharethumb.io/signup, and that's hyphenated. And just enter an email address that you're going to want to use for your account. That's going to be your user ID for your account, and then select the password and agree to our licensing agreement, and then sign up. Once that's done, we're going to send you an email just to verify that you actually own that email address. So go over to your inbox and find the email we just sent you, and then click confirm your email. It's going to be a big button in the middle of the email. So once that's done, you're going to be taken to a screen where you can add your site. So this is where you prove to us that you actually own the site that you're registering the account for, so no one else can steal your site. So to do that, you give your site a name, and that's just going to be specific to you for managing it within our app. And then you want to get the domain and paste that in there, and then add your site. So now you want to claim the site. So this is where we verify that you actually own it. There's 4 different methods to do that, but we suggest you use the WordPress verification one. So you just simply copy the verification code and paste it into the settings, ShareThumb settings on your WordPress site, and then hit update. And then the next step is to get the API key that we're going to generate for your site. So once you go back to ShareThumb.io and you refresh, you'll see that the dashboard has changed, and you'll see a thumb there for the site that you just created, or any other thumbs actually that that have automatically been generated. If you hit settings, you'll find the API key. So you're going to want to copy that. Go back to WordPress, paste it into the API key field, and then hit update. And that's it, you're done. Your site is now registered. And one big benefit of that is now that you can have your thumbs regenerated automatically every time you update a page, and also you can manually change some of the thumb settings within our app. So those are the steps to register and start using ShareThumb on your WordPress website. If you have any trouble or any additional questions, shoot us an email at support@foresightstudios.com. We hope you enjoy.